Morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 7:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, June 4th, 2021. We're talking about Nucypher, and holy cow. But before we get into that, this isn't financial advice. This is educational only. Twitter.com, link below, subscribe button below. Let's move forward. Overall, I've gotten into Nucypher at 43.7 cents, and we're close to that. We actually went above that for a little bit yesterday. Let's go into the chart. So what happened last night with Nucypher? Well, Nucypher, strangely enough, after the call that they had, that conference call, or the community call as they call it, they kind of like out of nowhere, like late last night around 10 o'clock, suddenly Binance comes out and says they're listing Nucypher for trading on their platform. That announcement drove Nucypher up dramatically. Let's take a deeper dive look here. We were down like 31 and change, and then suddenly out of nowhere, we bounced demonstrably up. And by the way, we were going down slightly before that because of an Elon Musk tweet, which we'll get into a little later when we get into Bitcoin. But right now, let's just talk about Nucypher. This thing went up, and then kind of like now we're kind of like hugging this top line of resistance. This could indicate a reversal pattern, but many factors affecting this right now. So let's take a look. So we're up 21%, whereas Nucypher Bitcoin's up almost 30%, which is huge. Anyway, let's go into the Nucypher Bitcoin pair, because this is really where it's even more interesting. And this is the smile that we said it was following, or a cupping pattern, but it's not the perfect, symmetric circular angle that we would expect on a regular circle, but it is a lower traded type crypto, so we have to respect that fact and understand that there will be volatility along its trek through this circular motion. So drilling into this down, I mean, this was where the announcement from Binance came, saying they were going to list Nucypher for trading on their platform. It went straight up to like 1176, down all the way up to almost 1200, not too far from where we are right now, and looking like somewhat of a symmetric triangle pattern. We have to see how this thing goes. But anyway, clearly a strength from Nucypher from within, which is the strength of Nucypher to Bitcoin, is very interesting. So take a look at the Bitcoin pair here for a sec, the Bitcoin US dollar pair, I should say. We are still respecting the long-term trend. Last night, this triangle pattern here, we broke down because of Elon Musk coming out, tweeting what he tweeted, which is typical Elon. But, we have to expect that at some point people are going to start ignoring him. But let's just take a quick look at the chart here. We kind of broke down right around here. We were at 39,250. We were about to make a rally. It was almost like he was waiting for the rally and then to just take a dump all over it. So he tweeted what he tweeted around 9:30 last night. Listen, the tweet was really like he was breaking up with Bitcoin, and he had a picture of a man and a woman sitting there looking away from each other. So who cares, right? A couple of things everyone needs to know about Bitcoin is that Elon Musk is probably losing money in Tesla. He needs to come up with an idea to make, and it's not because Bitcoin's going down, by the way. It's going down because his business is going down. And he now needs to plot his next course. What's his next course? Energy efficiency. That's what his whole premise of everything that he does is. So he comes out and he is that guy. When you think of energy efficiency and cars and batteries and things, you think Elon Musk, right? The innovator. So he's going to play dumb down. He's going to go after a fossil fuel burning thing like a Bitcoin, which has heaps of money in it. And he knows crypto's the future. He wants to go after Bitcoin to be the one to come in to save the day. Why? It will help him. It will help his company, right? Because they need the next best thing. I'll put dollars to donuts. I'm telling you right now, I think that Bitcoin and crypto markets are going to do way bigger than the electric car market. I think there's a lot more going on. This is an economy. And it's a new internet. So as far as I'm concerned, this will dwarf everything and anything that Elon Musk does. And he knows it. So he's going to come in and he's going to go after the number one cat in this great new frontier called cryptocurrencies. He's going to bash it so that he can come in and fix it. Well, we already know he's already intending to do something, right? Behind the scenes. But we don't really know every little detail what's going on behind the scenes, but we see a lot of anecdotal things that have been happening. He's been working with Michael Saylor to talk about, how to make a more energy efficient Bitcoin. So look, don't let that tweet scare you. It scared a lot of people apparently, and for no bloody good reason. I'm not concerned at all, one bit. And Elon, people saying, well, why would he do that? He's got so much Bitcoin on his balance sheet, so it must be taking the company down. Let me tell you, Bitcoin was up yesterday and Tesla was down over 5%. That goes to show you how bad his company's doing. He needs the next thing to do, and it's going to be crypto. It's no wonder he's starting to talk about crypto more so over the last 6 months than he's ever talked about it before. He needs a new job. This is his new job, energy efficiency on the crypto landscape. It's the only way out for him because his car company, I'm sorry to say, isn't doing that great. Anyway, we'll all talk soon. Thanks again. Bye.